Hi there, Anthony and Amy here again from Paul Fraser Collectibles and Just Collecting. We've just had another delivery into the office, and we, as one of our subscribers, we wanted to show you the new items straight away. We're not sure what's in the box yet. I've got my trusty scissors here to open it up. So without further ado, let's get going. Certainly well packed. Hate these things. Okay. Right, I'll do this one first, shall I?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this will be good. Close up there, if you can see, this is a signed Rolling Stones album, Sticky Fingers, signed on the front in black felt tip by Mick Jagger and Keith Richards, and in silver ink by Ronnie Wood and Charlie Watts, from a party in New York in 1969. Excellent, that won't be around for long.
So here we have a fantastic piece of Marilyn Monroe and Arthur Miller memorabilia. Let's open it up. Do you want to help me hold that?
Yes,
Show it
sure.
up to the camera. So this would seem to be possibly one of Marilyn Monroe's first signatures with the last name Miller included on it.
Oh yeah, you can see just here it's signed by Marilyn Monroe Miller.
So that's a very unique piece then for Marilyn Monroe.
And what's this here? This is a signed Mark Twain sketch. The sketch is by Kate Rogers Knoll. Signed by Sincerely Yours, Mark Twain, February the 21st.
And then our last item in the box is a wedding picture from Princess Diana, signed by Diana. That's a really nice picture, and also at the moment her wedding dress is on display at Kensington Palace for the first time in 25 years, I believe.
Well, that's it for today. Got all this to tidy up now. If you're interested in getting some more pictures or anything on any of the items, please click to email me at the bottom of this video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.